Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. What if I told you it's already happening? Artificial intelligence. But what does that really mean? Simply put, AI is when machines do things that normally require human intelligence, understanding speech, recognizing faces, even making decisions. And it's not some distant future. It's happening right now, in ways you might not even realize. Here's where it gets even more fascinating. AI comes in two types. Narrow AI, the kind you interact with daily, is built for one task, like Siri, Alexa, or those personalized Netflix recommendations. But then there's general AI, a machine that can think, learn, and adapt just like we do. The twist? We're still years away from that, or are we? So how does AI do all this? By learning from massive amounts of data. It's like feeding the machine a never-ending diet of information, and as it processes this data, it gets smarter, just like us, but faster. The more it learns, the better it becomes. The question is, what happens when it learns too much? Think you're not interacting with AI? Think again. From self-driving cars to the smart assistant on your phone, AI is quietly shaping your life. It knows your preferences, can predict your next move, and even automate your daily tasks. But what if AI knew too much about you? But here's the real question. What's next for AI? Could it revolutionize healthcare by diagnosing diseases before doctors even see the symptoms? Could it drive our cars, predict our behavior, or even make life-altering decisions? The future of AI is not just exciting, it's unknown. And that uncertainty is what makes it so thrilling. AI is already here, and it's only getting smarter. But as it grows, so do the questions. What will happen when machines start thinking for themselves? Will we be ready? Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the future is unfolding right before our eyes.